The Pillars of Creation in the Eagle Nebula has long been one of the Hubble Space Telescope's most iconic images. But though the telescope, which detects mostly visible light, captured the structure's impressive clouds, the creation happening within them was hidden. Now, Webb's infrared imaging has managed to capture it in the form of numerous protostars. Appearing as tiny red dots against the smoky backdrop of the pillars, these collections of dust and gas, each many times larger than our solar system, are stars being born.
These young stars that we see in the image are not yet burning hydrogen, Derek Ward-Thompson, head of the School of Natural Sciences at the University of Central Lancashire in the UK, told Space.com in October. But gradually, as more and more material falls in, the middle becomes denser and denser, and then suddenly, it becomes so dense that the hydrogen burning switches on, and then suddenly their temperature jumps up to about 2 million degrees Celsius or 3.5 million degrees Fahrenheit.
The image was created using different colors to represent mostly invisible infrared wavelengths, said Anton Kokimor, a research astronomer at the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore who put the image together using Webb's data, told Space.com in October. The only visible parts of the image appear blue, those would look red to us. As the radiation increases in wavelength, so do the wavelengths of the colors, with red parts of the image, such as the protostars, emitting radiation about 6 times the wavelength a human eye can see. Images like this one not only show Webb's capabilities as an infrared telescope, said Ward-Thompson, but could also help us understand how stars form, including our sun.